Just replaced the starter on this 2008 Honda Accord 2.4. It's been running for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Everything's working fine. There's no check engine light or any warning lights. The temperature is normal. Fuel gas is good. What is it? And RPMs are steady, so everything's good. You'll just need to reset all the radio and clock and all that stuff, because once we disconnected the battery, everything got wiped out. There's no way around that one. Alrighty then, if you need any repairs, minor repairs, give us a call, 310-994-6277. Serving West Los Angeles area since 2017. Bye.